Ever tried to launch After Effects only to be met with a frustrating Msvcr110.dll not found error? This pesky error essentially stops After Effects from opening, and it's a common annoyance, but don't worry. In this video we're going to fix it. The good news is, it's usually an easy fix, so let's get started. The error indicates that a vital library file, Msvcr110.dll, which is needed for After Effects, is either missing or inaccessible on your computer. The most common solution is installing the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable package. First, you need to download a package. Search on your preferred search engine for Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Look for the official Microsoft download page. To avoid any risks, click that link, and you'll see the different versions available. Now, find the version that corresponds to your operating system. If you have a 64-bit operating system, download its x64 version. You'll install the correct version to ensure perfect compatibility and avoid install conflicts during this process. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen prompts. We'll have to agree to the license terms to proceed. Then, click the installation button, letting the process finish automatically. Next, allow the installer to add its necessary files. Now, close everything and restart After Effects. Hopefully, just by doing this, your error disappears, and you'll be able to use After Effects as usual. You are ready to go back to your creative flow.